Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English listening practice session. Today, we're going to work on 10 common sentences you'll hear in everyday life. This exercise is simple but very effective. First, I'll say listen carefully, and you'll hear a sentence without seeing the text. This will train your ear. Then, you'll see the sentence on the screen as you hear it again, so you can connect the sounds with the words. We'll pause for 3 seconds after each one, giving you a moment to process or repeat it yourself. This is a great way to improve your listening comprehension and pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's begin with the first sentence. How much does this cost? How much does this cost? Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card? Where is the nearest bus stop? Where is the nearest bus stop? I'd like to check in, please. I'd like to check in, please. I can't find my keys anywhere. I can't find my keys anywhere. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. Should we take an umbrella? Should we take an umbrella? Listen carefully. What time does the movie start? What time does the movie start? Listen carefully. Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? Listen carefully. I'll have the chicken pasta, please. I'll have the chicken pasta, please. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. It was nice talking to you. It was nice talking to you. Listen carefully. Excellent job. You've just practiced 10 essential English sentences. How did you do on the first listen? Remember, the key to improving your listening skills is consistent practice. You can watch this video again anytime you need a quick review. The more you listen, the more natural these sentences will sound. Keep up the fantastic work, and you'll see your confidence in English grow day by day. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practice videos. See you in the next one.